Hey, welcome to the Electronic Gadgets channel, and this is of course a channel where we have regular gadgets, $20 or less, available, and this is a cool little product that it's a clock and kind of a small weather station. This is a $12 clock available on dealextreme.com, and so this is a little box it came in. Took about 3 weeks to come from I believe Malaysia or something like that, Philippines, to the mail, so it took about 3 weeks. It's 12 bucks and has a nice little features. I consider this clock to be more of a I would say bedside clock, and one of the reasons for that is that now you're seeing well the time and everything, but unfortunately I must say that in the daytime, sitting at the desk, if there's not a lot of light, you won't see much of the display. Yeah, there is a light though, so if I close this and you can see that it lights up, and that's pretty cute. Lights up for a few moments, but unfortunately in a dark environment you can see that it's kind of harder to see the clock itself. When you put a lot of light on it though, it's not too bad. So I would consider more this clock for a bedside type clock. So you wake up at night, you want to see what time it is. Well, we'll just close everything here, pretend we're at night. And so there's nothing, and then you want to know what time it is, you just click on it, and there you've got that very beautiful clock showing up momentarily. Another great feature of this clock is the fact that when it's lighting up, it has this little arm here that you can see right there. This is actually a projection for the clock. It will project on the ceiling the clock, and I will try to show you what it looks like on the ceiling. I hope it works. And there we go. This is what it looks like on the ceiling. As you can see, it's very, very bright. That's something I enjoy a lot. So when you press that little button, not only that you can see the clock on your desk, but the light on the ceiling is pretty good also. So it's pretty nice feature. And basically makes this $12 clock really cool little device, but like I said, for nighttime or bedtime viewing mostly, I would say, because daytime is actually even a little horrible, I would say. It doesn't look nice, not as nice as at nighttime. Other little features it will have is, okay, the clock, the little arm here that shows the time on a wall or your ceiling, but there's a little indicator for humidity and temperature. So it says here, for example, 22.9 Celsius indoors. Here it says LL because the humidity sensor cannot detect below 20% or above 80%. It's really dry here at this time, so it's probably like a little below 20%, and that makes the display just put LL. But if I put it outside today a little bit, and it actually displays a percentage here in the humidity, so it does work. And there's what looks like a small little device here that's showing you kind of the tendon, the coming weather, the pressure or whatever. This shows is like the pressure and the differentiation of the pressure, maybe. And there's a little sun here that says, well, it should be sunny, so it's kind of a little weather station if you want at the same time. Of course, it's very approximate, and I don't think you should actually use that for real forecasts. But it's a cool little add-on here, and it does add a little animation on your display. So it's a weather station projection clock available on Deal Extreme. $12, shipping included, almost anywhere in the world. So if you like it, if you enjoy this, actually, like I said, we'll really enjoy the nighttime, bedtime type clock. I think it's really nice for that. And we'll actually keep it right next. And of course, you've got the usual alarm clock. So if you want to use it as your alarm, well, you can set the alarm and make it work to wake you up in the morning. Works out of 3 AAA batteries, and you can also plug it in if you buy yourself, because it's not included, batteries are not included. And there's a little DC 4.5 volt positive center jack, so you can actually buy a small wall wart type adapter for 4.5 volts and drive this clock from the power adapter instead, which is a nice feature here. So 12 bucks on Deal Extreme if you want to have this cute little weather station clock and projector, so it will have projection on your ceiling or wall of the clock time when you depress the little light button here. So if you enjoy our gadget videos, well, click the subscribe button and you'll be informed when new videos are online. And if you have any requests of maybe gadgets you've seen that you'd like to see reviewed, keep in mind $25 maximum. We try to keep the gadgets really cheap here. And hope you come back and take a look at our other gadgets we have online, and we'll have more and more as time comes by. So take a look at our electronic gadgets channel and hope you come back. Bye bye.